Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a great day so far, and it will get better and better as the day goes on. Today is Monday, May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Yes, for all you Star Wars fans out there, hope you enjoy the day. My girls were commenting on it, but they have no idea really about old school Star Wars, so if there's time, I want to start them with the very first movie that came out, Episode 4, the original Star Wars series, to show them. All right, today's message is thank your teacher, because traditionally this would be Teacher Appreciation Week. And what I mean is not me, whoever's working with you at home, thank them, because it is not an easy job, but they take their time and they care about you and they want to see you do well and they want to see you learn and grow as good young people that you are. Okay? And thank one other person besides your teacher, whoever's helping you at home. Okay, so maybe you have two of those teachers or more, so thank them, or thank someone else in addition to that person that's helping you or the people that are helping you. All right, so weird but true too. I know some of you are big space fans out there like Caden, so there are some space facts in here that are pretty cool, like this one. Jupiter weighs twice as much as all the other planets in our solar system combined. As all of them combined. About 75% of all volcanoes are underwater. A hippo's lips are about 2 feet wide. And so give me a kiss. 2 feet wide. So today's first extra credit question has to go with this one. Let's go with that instead of about, which is that estimate. We'll say they are 2 feet wide. Okay. So how many feet of hippo lips would there be if we had 40 of them next to each other, or just in general? How many feet of hippo lips would that be if there were 40 hippos? And by the way, you might think they're slow animals, but they're not. They're kind of fast. And they're aggressive too. So they look cool and cute sometimes, but just like wild animals, you have to be careful. Not that we're all going to go taking a walk and happen upon a hippo or two, but just be careful in general with all wild animals. All right, here we go. As far as this week, my bad. As far as this week's assignments, we are talking about geometry all around us. Okay, find polygons. And we're going to talk about what are polygons. I know that we talked about that in the school year, but let's keep going. Geometry all around us, find polygons. A polygon is a closed figure. It means all the sides are connected, like this one. Not like this one, open-ended. Nope, cannot happen. There are no intersecting lines. Like this one's good. They're all straight. They're all connected. There's nothing crossing over, but oh, not this one. Look at this one, crosses right over in the middle. So no go. That's for that intersect, like an intersection where cars cross over their paths. And by the way, a couple ways to see what kind of shape it is. You count the corners. You can count the sides. Okay. Here we go. So I'll count the corners. I like this one because it goes inward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is actually a hexagon. Very non-traditional hexagon, but that is a hexagon, right? Because there's 6 sides, 6 corners. So that is definitely, those are definitely some ways you can do it. You can count the angles too, which would be like where those lines meet at a corner. Those are angles too. Now remember, there's a word for this when it goes in. That could be an also extra credit question for some of you people out there who love those extra credit questions. What does that mean? What's that word when it kind of goes in or caves in like that? All right. And then it has straight edges like this shape. Yeah, one comes out at a diagonal, but they're all straight. Unfortunately, like this one over here, looks kind of like a dot, one of those yummy candies. It's got the curved top, so no go as far as a polygon. Okay, so polygons are closed figures. No intersecting lines, and all the sides are straight. All right, extra credit question number 2. Take a picture of a trapezoid and send it to me. Okay, there are different kinds of trapezoid. They look like these usually, or this one. But remember what makes a trapezoid a trapezoid. Only one set of, what's that called? Those lines are straight across from each other. They'll never cross over. One set of what? parallel sides. You got it. Okay, so find that in your house or maybe outside somewhere if you can find a trapezoid, and send me the picture. All right. So the the thing I have from a memory box I'd like to share is when I used to work at Thurl Park many moons ago. This is probably about 7 years old, this thing. I thought it was just so cool. I love it when kids make me things, and this one kind of stuck out in my head because, and still is, I think, but SpongeBob was super popular. This person named Andrew made me a Employee of the Year award with Patrick Star on the top. Looks like a trophy, Patrick Star trophy. So I don't know if that was an episode or not. I don't really watch it, but I definitely know who the characters are. So I kind of sometimes will keep that. I actually laminated it, put that hard plastic covering over it so it won't crinkle up or get ruined. So some of those gifts you give people are the ones you make that are the best. Those are from the heart. All right. Well, thanks someone today, especially your teacher at home, whoever that person is, or maybe you have a couple of those. So thank them and have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow.